Bullish Chiliz, CHZ. Cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.54669 and $1.03 by 2030. Market investigators accept CHZ could reach $0.42520 by 2025. Bearish Chiliz market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.097190. Chiliz, CHZ. Presentation. Chiliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered an exclusive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to drive its fan commitment stage, socios.com. Chiliz has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the organizer and president of Chiliz. He has north of 20 years of involvement establishing and developing electronic organizations. Before sending off Chiliz, he established WebCity and Intuitive Travel Guide, and Winamax and Chilipoker, both web-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business visionary who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to upset the conventional games industry. Since its send-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage, fueled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices through a versatile application or web interface utilizing CHZ tokens. Fans can likewise buy selective product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's internet business store. What is Chiliz, CHZ? The Chiliz stage was made fully intent on giving fans a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices, and furthermore offers awards for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is at present utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to take part in the administration of their number one group. It likewise offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chiliz, CHZ. Central examination. Chiliz is a cryptographic money zeroed in on fan commitment in the games and media outlet. The organization behind Chiliz is socios.com, a stage that permits sports and diversion associations to tokenize their fan bases. This empowers them to send off fan token contributions, FTOs, which are crowdfunding occasions that offer fans the chance to purchase tokens that address their number one group or association. The socios.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the Chiliz coin, CHZ, to make secure, straightforward, and permanent exchanges. The utilization of blockchain additionally considers quick and effective installments between parties. Exchanges on the socios.com stage are fueled by the CHZ token. The worth of the Chiliz coin, CHZ, is gotten from its utility for the purpose of the exchange on the socios.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token contributions on the socios.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Furthermore, as additional individuals utilize the socios.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it simpler to change over into cash. Organizations. The Chiliz Group has organizations with probably the greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Atletico de Madrid, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, Juventus, AS Roma, Agasports, Galatasaray SK, and some more. Chiliz, CHZ. Current cost. Chiliz is presently worth $0.121488 United States dollars. CHZ has moved 1.06% as of now with an exchanging volume of $37,089,989. Chiliz is presently positioned 56 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $731,103,442 United States dollars. Using the overall strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination disparity, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Chiliz, CHZ. To conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Chiliz, CHZ. Market information. and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2023. Chiliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. CHZ. The CHZ cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0.182231. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.170083 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of $0.145785. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Chiliz CHZ cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform $0.303719. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the CHZ's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.242975 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.267273. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.425206, and CHZ might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.388760 and a low of $0.364463 in 2025. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Chiliz effectively helps market feeling among digital currency fans, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2026. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.546694 with a base cost of $0.485950 and a typical cost of $0.510248. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.631735 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.607438 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, CHZ has a greatest value worth of $0.668182. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur